will sleep all night. Now it is day. The sun is up. Now it's time for all dogs to get up. Hey, go. Look at those dogs. Go. Meditate. We got to do this one first, right? Right? It's going fast. Those cars, what are they going? What to? Where are they? Those dogs going? Why? Why, Mommy? Why?
Uh-oh. Sorry, did I interrupt you?
No.
Go ahead, keep reading, Ensign. You're doing so great. You're doing wonderful.
Look, where are they going? Where are they going? To like that. The tree is over there.
Yeah. Okay, next page.
Yeah. We do the next page. It's right here.
Okay, no, right there.
No, right here.
You want
To
to
the tree, to the tree, to the tree, to the tree.
Yeah, how about that? You skipped the page.
Now the cars will stop.
Yeah, all the cars stopped.
Right?
Yeah, look at all the cars. They all stopped.
See? The car is stopping.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's going. Right?
Yeah.
It's not stopping. It's going.
Yes.
It's stopping.
Mm-hmm.
And the red car is stopping.
Yeah. Keep reading. Now all the dogs get out.
And all the dogs get out. And now, look where all those going.
Yeah.
All those are going.
Mm-hmm. What about this?
Up the tree, up the tree, up the tree, up the tree.
You're so cute.
Up they go to the top, top of the tree. Why? Did they walk there?
I don't know.
Did they walk there?
I don't know. Keep reading.
Really quick there. Were they is up here? The top, on the top of the tree.
Yeah, good job, Anson.
Dog for a party. See, they play party.
Mm-hmm.
It's the ice cream.
Ice cream.
I love ice cream, don't you?
I do too.
It tastes good.
It tastes good. It does. You're so cute.
It's an ice cream cone. It's called the ice cream cone.
Yeah?
Right.
Where's the ice cream cone? Show Mommy. Wow. I see the ice cream cone right there. You are right. Absolutely right. Hey, keep reading, Ensign. Mama's loving the story. You're reading Mommy a story? A dog party.
A big dog can party. big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, white dogs, all get at a dog party. What a dog party.
Good job. You are so amazing.
I do. I like it. I like it. That's a party hat. Hello again. And do you like my hat?
Do you like my hat?
Yeah.
I do. What a hat.
I do like the hat.
Yeah. Good job.
Goodbye.
Yay! Ensign, you read the whole book. You are amazing. What book did you read? What book did you just read?
Perfect one.
Perfect one. Yes. What does it say?
Go dog go.
Go dog go! Yay! What's next? What do you want to read next? You want to read the body book?
Yes. Where's the body book?
Uh-oh. I don't know. How about the book about universe?
No body book.
Uh-oh, I don't know. Hey, tell Mommy about the body. How about the human body?
That's the chest.
About the chest?
That's your body. The chest is the body.
It's inside your body. It's part of your body, yes.
That's your chest.
Yes. How about your lungs? Where's your
And that's your back.
Yeah. Hey, how about the digestive system? You want to talk about digestive system?
When you eat, it goes in the digestive system.
Yeah, you eat and then what happens? The food goes down.
See, that's your digestive system.
Yeah, can you explain what
That's a digestive system.
Can you explain what
See,
digestive?
that's the digestive system.
Yeah, can you explain
Right.
how it works? Can you explain how digestive
That's
system
the
works?
digestive system.
Okay, can you explain how it works? You eat the food. You chew the food.
You eat, it's going to the digestive system.
Yeah,
When you eat food,
you
it's
go down
going
to
in
your
stomach,
uh-huh.
in the esophagus.
Oh, it goes down from your mouth to
It's going
through
to,
your
it's going to esophagus, liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and anus.
He just said the food go down your mouth, your esophagus, and then your stomach, your liver, your pancreas, and then large intestine, small intestine, and then anus. Then you go poo-poo. That is the digestive system. Good job, Anson.
No, a rectum. That's your rectum
Yes.
and then the anus.
Yes.
And that's your
rectum
penis,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, penis is when you pee-pee, okay?
About your anus and your rectum.
Okay. Easy on that now. How old are you?
2.
2. So don't say that word when you're in the public, okay? You make Mommy look really bad. Okay. Bye-bye now.